if the Kauravas didn't maintain the virtue,
Oh, I see.
then
Yeah.
why did the Pandavas have to maintain virtue? Kauravas, Abhimanyu was killed unfairly.
Yeah.
Why should we kill Karna on a one-on-one war?
Yeah. Yeah.
So if Abhimanyu was ambushed,
Mhm.
why can't Jayadratha be killed by the means of illusion?
Who was that one?
Jayadratha is the one who stopped the Pandavas from entering
Oh,
the
yeah.
Chakravyuh after Abhimanyu.
Mm.
So Jayadratha, after the death of Abhimanyu, Arjun was so heartbroken that he said ki agar by tomorrow I do not kill Jayadratha, I will enter fire. Okay, so Jayadratha, the view was so expansive that it covered 60 yojanas, which is very far. Like, it's yards, basically. A bit of yards.
Very
But
big.
yes, very big, very big. Then, they broke through the formation.
Yeah.
And they were this close when the sun started to set.
Yeah.
No, they were pretty far away. They were like here.
Yeah.
And so, Krishna decided to make the sun set by hiding it. And then they were so rejoiced. They were rejoicing so much that they let go of Jayadratha. They didn't protect him. And as soon as Arjun reached Jayadratha, he made the sun go up. He told Arjun that Jayadratha's father cursed the killer of Jayadratha that whoever makes my son's head roll on the ground, their head will be shattered to 100 pieces. So Arjun cleverly aimed it so that it could reach the lap of his father, and his father got up. So the head
Oh, I see.
rolled on the floor. Karke pura he was killed. So yeah.
I see. Another character that it's very interesting and I would like to hear your views is Karna. I think there's a lot of misconception about Karna, right? Why do you think there's so many misconception?
Because people portray it very wrongly. Like, if I was a serial director of Mahabharat,
Yeah.
then my aim would be to first read these
Yeah.
original ones
Yeah.
and then make the serial.
Okay.
Because, like, Draupadi's misconception, she said Andhika Putranda. That's not true. That was just added by the serial.
Oh, okay. So
they just want that extra drama in the
okay.
serial, extra tension.
Yeah.
in the
So, but
serial.
what's the truth about him?
He was the cruelest one.
Yeah.
Yes. See, people say he was caste discriminated, this, that. In fact, he was of a higher caste. You know how? When a Kshatriya man and a Brahmin lady,
Yeah.
vice versa also,
Yeah.
have a progeny, it's known as a Sut or a Shut. And that is what Karna was. A Shut. In fact, he is the eldest out of all the Pandavas.
Yeah.
Even elder than Balram, who is the elder brother of Krishna. But the only unfair thing to him done, which was like actually genuinely unfair, was how he was let go. I mean, it was not Kunti's fault. She was not even married yet. She was just curious. So it was not Kunti's fault. But yes, it was very unfair how they let him loose in the water. It's a good thing that Adhirath found him. But other than that, everything about Karna wasn't good. The contest where they first met, it is said that he exited the contest. No, he just boasted about his prowess in the contest and he was like, I can do it better, I can do it better. And half the time, after boasting, he was the one who ran. Like Virat गंधर्व युद्ध में तो कर्ण भाई तो भाग गए, he ran away. So like when you're boasting, they say that Karna said that I will make true of my boast. I am bragging because I can do it.
Mhm.
In fact, he was just bragging. No, because I can do it. Just cut that. He was just bragging
Mm.
about his prowess.
Mm.
So he decided that Arjun decided that I will kill Karna on the 17th day. He didn't decide, but the war was on 17th day. The night before that, Karna said, I will make sure to kill Arjun tomorrow. Well, you know what happened. So,
Yeah.
so that's the worst thing about Karna. How he was just boasting and did the exact opposite of what he boasted about.
Mm.
Like in the Gandharva Yuddha, he just ran away. Oh my god! And then Virata Yuddha mein, he was the one that lost. Arjun was the one alone, and he defeated the entire expanse of the Kaurava army.